opportunities. Like we will be dealing with business to business models. At first we are targeting a business which is basically schools, colleges and educational institutions, not to medium cap businesses. So what we will do, we will go to them, we will tell them that, hey listen, this is what we are doing and what we are thinking. This is our second plan, which is under maintenance right now. We are thinking to do this to individual as well. Our goal is to give this mining power to every single individual, being even an educated or uneducated people, and they can make side hustle, side income with this. At first, what we will do the need requirement of an individual or of one company. So basically, our needs can be different. For example, being an institute or being a bank, what we can do, we can invest crores in this business. Or if we are an individual, we can do 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs in this business. So what we will do, we will be doing the assessment and then we will be doing this like what they are thinking. We will make a report and then we will decide the budget what they are thinking to do. Secondly, we will be quoting them the price. Then we will do the negotiation if the customer is willing to do, and at last we will be signing the project with them. In phase 1, we have the requirement analysis. For example, there are 2 people, both of them are having different requirements. So first we will write down the requirements, then we will do the framework design. For this we need a framework, which will be told by Ishan later in infrastructure. Then we have infrastructure development, that will be told by him. Then we have testing. Testing is basically my part, being the tech savvy of this project. So what we will do, we will create the hosting, then we will do the testing on the behalf of the customer. The customer don't need to visit the hosting again and again and again. So that will save them the time. Also, what that will do, that will just give them a versatility in the movement. They can just see this from phone or a laptop. They have cameras and they can turn it on and off.